Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draft a back cowl neckline. Let's draft the back pattern. The shoulder is 5 inches plus half inch sewing allowance. The neck width is 2.5 inches. From the shoulder to the chest is 8 inches. The chest measurement is 7 inches. The neck depth is 1 inch. This is for the back. The neck slope is 1 inch, but I'll mark half inch. After sewing with half inch, it will become 1 inch. The armhole length is 6.5 inches. The chest measurement divided by 4 is 7 inches. Find the midpoint on the armhole length and make a curve from that midpoint to the end of the armhole. From the shoulder to the waist is 15 inches. The waist measurement divided by 4 is 6 inches. Connect the line like this. Curve this area a little bit like this. The line shouldn't be pointed. Moving on to the shoulder, find the midpoint. Draw a straight line from the midpoint to the hemline. Cut the pattern. Place the pattern on a fabric. The fabric should be on fold like this. The slitted area should be on the folded part. Pin it down. Add sewing allowance to the sides. I won't be adding to the armhole because I added ½ inch to the shoulder measurement. Cut it. This is the neck. The shoulder. And the armhole. It's very important that you do this so that you don't get confused. Cut another fabric to use as lining so the slitted parts will look neat. I'll place it on my dress form for you to see what it looks like, but before then, I'll show you how to use the same pattern to cut out the front. In order to use this pattern to cut out the front, we need to cover the slits by taping it together. Then cut the armhole. The front armhole is ½ inch deeper than the back armhole. And for the neck, you can choose any neck depth or design of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.